All right, guys, good morning to everyone. It is 9:28 in the morning. It is June 24th, 2026 of Neil with Seven Figure Pathway, episode 174, ADTX. I uh, I got out. I got in yesterday, a little on the upper side, and I sold it for a loss today. Playing it safe, guys. As it was pulling down, I sold it, and then I rebought it again as it was building up. The market it's getting close to opening up, and we're gonna see. Look at the channel that thing has built up. Now that's a bullish channel right there. So when the market's opened up, the price range is about slightly below or above. I think it's a little above the price of yesterday's closing in this stock. I think it was yesterday's closing. If I look at Finbiz shows it at 0417. 0417, guys. And the price right now it's 0433. So it's definitely above the price from yesterday's closing. So this is going to try to do a green candlestick today if it all works out. Thanks to God, praise Jesus, give him the praise and the glory. And this is supposed to be pushing up aggressively. And it's precisely what it's trying to do there, guys. It's going to be choppy. It's going to be jumping up and down. But technically speaking, that's a bullish channel. And it's amazing that it looked like it was going to fall apart. But it had this green candlestick pushing up as an activating reversal with a pulse and then another green candlestick. The volume supposed to come in very aggressive. You can see the bar right there. You can see it. If everything goes according to plan today, and God helps us with this trade, this is supposed to climb and hit the high from yesterday. What is the high from yesterday? 6 cents. 6 cents, guys, is the high from yesterday. The fact that this stock has sat in accumulation, okay, since the very bottom, and yesterday before noontime it's gonna be choppy, guys. The price action is gonna be choppy. The price action is going to be choppy. That's normally the case for the first candlestick, 5 minutes when the markets open up. It's going to be choppy. But if this thing works out, it's supposed to push up aggressively. And let's see. The interesting thing is the channel, guys, that it's got in there. It's got a bullish channel. That is a bullish channel, and it's pretty amazing how it built that channel before the market opened up. So let's see, guys. Let's see. It's above yesterday's closing price. So what it appears to be trying to do is build the candle. You see? Remember, it ran up yesterday, right? So see the low and the shake up and the closing of yesterday. It's right there. If this works out, if this works out, guys, supposed to be green candle pushing up and possibly taking out, possibly taking out the high of yesterday, which is the 6 cents, and then this will give its best performance. If it works out as intended, if it works out, okay, you don't accumulate billions of shares on the lower pennies at the bottom if there's not a humongous move coming. You simply don't. And I kind of shared that post on YouTube where if you look at the previous reverse split, it's 6 cents too, right? 6 cents too. Normally a reverse split will do something on the reverse split day, like the price will move up. Well, this stock right here didn't actually do anything. As a matter of fact, they brought the price down to less than half a penny. And then from there, it has been reversing over the past few days as you've been tracking the stock. And that's where we sit today. This is supposed to be, if God gives us the victory here, we're praying to God so that He can give us the victory. This is supposed to be a solid green candle pushing up with a lot of strength today. That's what it's supposed to be, guys. That is what it's supposed to be. As the previous days has been share accumulation and working the price back up. It's supposed to be. If it all works out, right, guys? If it all works out. Now, just to think about, you go in with $50,000, right? At 1 penny for one, 1 penny, and not even a penny and a half. That $50,000 is not going to move a stock and trade billions of shares each day. You guys have noticed there's been billions of shares each day, right? $50,000 doesn't cause a stock to do that. All right, guys, $50,000 does not get a stock performing at those levels. So there is something deeper than that. There is something deeper than that. $50,000 doesn't get a stock to trade billions of shares a day. And if you take, right, look, 638 million shares so far. Times 0.438. That's $27 million so far with just 638 million shares traded. That's how much money it has moved around. Right? 27 million. And you go in with an investment of 50,000 and you own 10% of the company, and your stock moves that many shares into the billions. There's something deeper. There's something deeper there, guys. There's something deeper there, guys. There is something deeper there. Because $50,000, and each day that it has traded outside from today, you're in the $1 billion plus shares moved. $50,000? I don't know, guys. Like I said, if it works out, this is supposed to be doing a green candlestick over the other one. All right, guys. Stay tuned.